Hi guys, my name is Susie and this is my very first video for my channel. I'm going to show you today the step-by-step watercolor techniques. For this watercolor, you will need just 4 items. Is round brushes, any size, watercolor pens, pigment liner, and also watercolor pad. So you can find them through the links below, and if you have any question, just leave me comment. We need a circle here. You can use any round thing or canvas to draw it, and also for the petals. If you want, you can keep the tips pointy tips, or you can do it round tip. I like round tip, so I change them, and you can modify a little bit your petals, any shape that you like. Some water with a large size round brush around the flower petals, and I'm adding some colors, mixing with water. I'm gonna add some green as well. Water, and spread some yellow, green here and there. It doesn't matter, but try to don't mix them. Raising the pencil lines that I draw the petals. Now I'm adding the red color from the center of the petals. This is just water. Make the paper all over the petals wet. And then you can add the red color from the inside out. And I'm gonna add some pinkish color in the tip of the petals. Red to the inner side. Pinkish color to the outer side or tip of the petal. Adding some water to spread the color, to mix them. Let it dry. And I'm doing the other petal. the same as before. Some green color as a leaves, and I just make some lines with tip of the mechanical pencil. Adding one more layer of green. You can add how many leaves you want here and there. And now this is the pigment pan number 0.3. I added some little circles in the middle of the flower. Change the pen to 0.8. It's a little bit thicker, so it shows the lines better. Some more lines. I draw some line and dots, add more detail. I'd like to do more details around it. enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notification when my next video is available. Thank you guys. See you soon.